Welcome back to Houston Spinning. I'm Coco again. Today I'm very excited to show you our double roller CNC metal spinning machine, the model WLH-DRS850. As you can see, this is a very outstanding metal cover compared with our old model. 850 means the maximum so-called sheet diameter for this model is 850 mm. It could process maximum 6 mm carbon steel, 3 mm stainless steel, and 8 mm aluminum. Now let's check the configuration of this machine one by one. Here is a Siemens 8280 CNC controller, and you can also have Siemens 808D as options. This is a customized spindle with hole diameter 160 mm, which could be used for spinning and pipe necking in. Normally, the manual will be connected with the spindle, and this customer is specialized in metal spinning service, and the customized spindle is perfectly suitable for their current manuals. This is a hydraulic hold plate to protect thin products from bending or splitting. Our standard machine normally goes with a 6-position tool holder, and you may also upgrade to 8-position electrical tool holder or servo drive hydraulic tool holder. The tool holder base is upgraded in design and has stronger rigidity compared with old model. This is the oil split unit device, and it could spray lubrication oil on the so-called sheet automatically during working cycle. Otherwise, we have to do it by manually every time we load the blanks. This is a blank centering device, material support, which assists in centering a disc or preform the blank and ensure a good coaxial alignment with the mold. The ball screw cover has also been updated. Now let's check the tailstock. Compared with the old model, the tailstock base is enlarged and widened to improve the stability. We also add hydraulic seal and Cooper sleeves on this part to improve tailstock durability. Under the tailstock, we add guide rails and sliders to make easier for workers to adjust the tailstock. Meanwhile, the Z-axis lead screw nut is also enlarged to improve durability. In this cabinet, you can see our casted machine frame bed, servo motor, spindle, hydraulic tool holder. This is the electrical cabinet. The electrical cabinet is also equipped with this cooling system for high temperature working environment. This is also the oil split unit device. We used to put it close to the tailstock, but now we move it to this separate cabinet and put it higher to make it work better. This is hydraulic station with oil tank, hydraulic pump, and Taiwan UK valve. This is a pneumatic unit, and this is our lubrication system. We also have upgraded to the grease lubrication system. If you need more information about our machines, welcome to visit our website www.houston.cc or subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for your watching.